You thought you can only use toothpaste for brushing your teeth? Think again! The toothbrushes in the bathroom are always super disorganized. Sure, but here's an interesting observation. If you combine the toothbrushes from the bristle side, they stick together. Let's use that! You're going to need a brush that you are not using anymore. Cut off the bristles. That's all you need. Attach a piece of double-sided tape to it and stick it to the bathroom wall. Hang up the toothbrush. It holds your toothbrush perfectly and it's easy to use. What else do you need? We try not to waste things, so the toothbrush handle will come in handy too. For this life hack, you are going to need 2 of them. Cut off part of the handle with a box cutter. You won't need the rest. Hot glue the handles together. Secure the edges. So, what did you get? It's a handy toothpaste gadget. Can't squeeze out the last of the toothpaste? With this device, you can use the tube all the way to the end. You can make so many useful things out of regular toothbrushes. It's wild! Are you unhappy with the size of your lips? Don't worry, you won't need injections. Take a toothbrush and some mint toothpaste. Apply it to the toothbrush and gently massage your lips like this. Be sure you are using mint toothpaste. Remove the toothpaste with a napkin. Voila! After the procedure, your lips look a lot puffier than before. Well, you fixed one problem and then another one shows up. Pills on your favorite wool dress. Oh, this is so sad. Is it time for it to retire? No way! Let's use another life hack with a toothbrush. Rub the place covered in lint with a dry toothbrush. Look, they are easy to remove and your clothes look brand new. Puppy, why are you so shaggy? Do you need to brush your dog? Guess what's going to help? A toothbrush, of course. It's perfect for the dog's hair. Smooth and tidy. It's a nice life hack for mini dogs. Both the pet and his mom are happy. What could be better? Sometimes not only your favorite dog needs care, but also your gadgets. For example, your headphones and your laptop. Look how dirty they are! You can't even use your keyboard like that! And your headphones are really grimy too! What would we do without a toothbrush? It's like a magic wand! Look, it cleans dirt out of the most unreachable places. It easily cleans up the keyboard and the headphones. That's better! Now you can watch movies, listen to music, and enjoy all the benefits of modern life. Before you leave the house, it's a good idea to check the skin on your face. Oh no!
Oh.
These blackheads on my nose? It's a disaster! Okay, where's my toothbrush and toothpaste? Yay! There they are! My saviors! Put toothpaste on the toothbrush and clean the problem area. Remove the rest of the toothpaste from your nose with a tissue. That's much better! Very effective! My skin is so clean! Did you decide to dye your hair? Okay, but here's the issue. You don't have a special brush. It's okay, we'll figure something out. But we have a toothbrush. Here we go. Don't worry, it'll be as good as a professional brush. It's working really well. The bristles comb your hair and distribute the dye evenly. Isn't it great to think outside the box? Try it and see for yourself. I'm sick of this painting on the wall, which means it's time to say goodbye. But the nail mark is ruining my view. What should I do? Toothpaste comes to the rescue. Apply it to the messed up part of the wall. It's like putty. Now go over it with a plastic card. Level out the surface. That's it! Your mini renovation is done! Alright, let's see how my eyebrows look. Terrible! So messy! Let's get them back in line. With hairspray and a toothbrush. Apply the hairspray directly onto the bristles and run it over the eyebrows. Alright! My eyebrows look perfect! You can use the same brush to smooth down your baby hairs. Hairstyling with a toothbrush? I've never heard of that before! Smoked salmon? Who doesn't love it? Cut it into slices and make a delicious sandwich on a slice of bread with lettuce and cucumber. Yummy! And share this delicious treat with your friend.
Blech.
What's wrong? Oh no! The chopping board smells like fish! Yeah, it's kinda unpleasant, but my friend knows how to get rid of the problem. Toothpaste and a toothbrush will help. Apply the product to the board. Clean it thoroughly. All you have to do is wash it off. Now check it out! No fishy smells! Only freshness! Now you can have a snack. You're welcome! An old toothbrush is super useful. Even if you remove the bristles, pull them out with pliers. Now heat the handle with a lighter. Bend it like this. Make a few of those pieces. It's better if they are different colors. Take a wooden ruler and hang up the hooks at an equal distance, like this. You made an original bathroom hanger. No such thing as too many towels. And your old brushes get a new bright life. But sometimes the toothbrush needs help. Poor thing! So shaggy! The bristles stick out in different directions. Should I throw it away? No, let's try out a life hack. Heat the water on the stove. Put the toothbrush in it. Look, it looks brand new. Perfect! What a great result! Here's another idea. Heat the toothbrush handle with a lighter. Bend the head backwards. Apply the toothpaste and use it to clean your faucets. It's very easy. Try it! The stains come off fast and easy, and the faucet is radiant. Another idea for people who love a clean bathroom. Did the lines between the tiles get dirty? Here's how to deal with that. You'll need a box cutter and a toothbrush. Cut off the head. Insert a screw. Apply a drop of glue to the top. And now put it on the screwdriver. Apply some toothpaste to the bristles and start to brush between the tiles. And no need to mess with sponges and rags. Amazing! Finally, a little advice on using plastic toothbrush caps. If you hot glue them to the tiles, you get minimalistic brush holders. Very useful, isn't it? Did you like our hacks for using toothbrushes and toothpaste? Which one of these ideas are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss even more useful life hacks from Troom Select.